Was a time when Bollywood had a very specific type of hero. Big muscles, bigger attitude, a deep voice, and absolutely no patience for villains. And there was Sunil Shetty, the man Bollywood lovingly calls Anna. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Doomscroll Diaries. Long time since I posted, I remember when I lost my mind. Anyways, हम बात कर रहे थे about अन्ना, मतलब सुनील शेट्टी के बारे में. सुनील शेट्टी बॉलीवुड में एक आउटसाइडर थे एंड ही वॉज कॉल्ड अ बैड एक्टर बट ही बिकेम वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट एक्शन stars of the 90s. Somehow reinvented himself as a comedy icon, built businesses outside films, raised two star kids. And इतने सालों में कंट्रोवर्सी ना हो, it is possible. So अन्ना इस सिचुएशन में आए कैसे? इसके लिए लेट्स गो बैक टू द बिगनिंग, ठीक है? सुनील शेट्टी 1961 मुल्क की एक तुल्लू स्पीकिंग फैमिली में पैदा हुए थे. उनके फादर वॉज नॉट एन एक्टर, प्रोड्यूसर और डायरेक्टर. सो मैं बेसिकली कह रही हूँ वो एक स्टार किड नहीं थे. ही वॉज अ वेटर बिफोर ही ओन्ड हिज ओन रेस्टोरेंट, उनके पापा, इन मुंबई. एंड सुनील grew up watching that business, restaurants, hard work, discipline. He studied at Lawrence School in Shanwar, Himachal Pradesh, completed his commerce degree in Mumbai, and developed a serious interest in martial arts. He even earned a black belt in kickboxing, which honestly explains why his Bollywood debut looked like this. Action. His first film, Ek Aur Faulad, never got completed, but in 1992, Balwan finally released. And Bollywood suddenly had a new action hero. Then came Waqt Hamara Hai with Akshay Kumar, then Pehchan, and then Mohra. That was the turning point. Sunil had the physique, the action skills, and that unmistakable screen presence. And there was one problem. लोगों को नहीं लगा था he was a great actor. उनकी डायलॉग डिलीवरी को ट्रोल किया गया था. And अन्ना ने criticism accept किया and kept working. And then came Border. And suddenly the guy people had written off as an action only actor was delivering an emotional performance as Captain Bhairon Singh. But Sunil's biggest transformation was still coming because then he became Shyam, हेरा फेरी. And if you know, you know. जो हीरो एक एक्शन हीरो था suddenly became a broke, angry, confused idiot who couldn't keep his life together. इसको बोलते हैं actors ability to play different role. Duality जो है आजकल के नेपो किड्स में तो है ही नहीं. That role changed his career. He wasn't just the guy who couldn't fight anymore. He could make you laugh. And then in Dhadkan, he went in opposite direction again, playing the obsessive Dave and winning the Filmfare Award for Best Villain. So by the early 2000s, Sunil had done something most actors struggle to do. He escaped his own typecast. जब बॉलीवुड सुनील को एक एक्टर की तरह जानते थे, वो फिल्म्स के बाहर एक completely different identity बना रहे थे. Restaurants, clothing businesses, fitness, production, cricket. He founded Popcorn Motion Pictures and produced films including Khel Rakht and Bhagam Bhag. He also became captain of Mumbai Heroes in the Celebrity Cricket League. And Sunil सिर्फ movies का ही wait नहीं कर रहे थे. He did everything. And then there's his family. Sunil married Mana Shetty in 1991. Sunil and Mana Shetty have been married for more than 3 decades. Mana is a businesswoman, designer, and social worker, and has been involved in charitable work for underprivileged children. Together they have 2 children, Athia and Ahan. आहान और अथिया ने अपना दोनों ने बॉलीवुड डेब्यू किया था रिस्पेक्टिवली 2015 और 2021 में. अथिया ने फेमस क्रिकेटर केएल राहुल से शादी की है एंड इन 2025 they welcomed their beautiful daughter named Evra, which means the action hero who spent the 90s beating up villains is now a grandfather. And judging from the way Sunil talks about his grandfather era, he's very much in the love with Evra. अब नेपोटिज्म की बात करते हैं. सुनील एक आउटसाइडर थे बट उनके बच्चे को ये एडवांटेज मिला टू वर्क इन द सेम इंडस्ट्री जिसमें उनके पास सरनेम और कनेक्शन था. फिर भी इट डिडंट वर्क वेल फॉर देम. सुनील डिफेंडेड नेपोटिज्म बट बेटे की मूवी फ्लॉप हुई एंड बेटे की एक ही मूवी आई. सो नो डाउट उसकी एक्टिंग अच्छी थी बट अब अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलने पर भी व्हेन यू कांट प्रूव योर टैलेंट फिर ऑडियंस ऑब्वियसली आपको क्रिटिसाइज करेगी. दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग बिकॉज सुनील इज इन्वॉल्व इन इनिशिएटिव्स aimed at discovering and supporting new talent while defending bad acting of his own kids and creating opportunities for outsiders. इसलिए ये कॉम्प्लिकेटेड के साथ इंटरेस्टिंग है. पर हम सिर्फ गुड स्टफ के बारे में बात नहीं करने वाले हैं क्योंकि अन्ना वॉज इन्वॉल्व इन कॉन्ट्रोवर्सीज टू. इन 2008 चंडीगढ़ कोर्ट में उनको 10 लाख की चेक बाउंस के लिए नॉन बेडेबल में केस में पकड़ा गया था बट उसमें सुनील का कोई भी इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं था. देन इन 2014 21 लाख का घोटाला हुआ था। अगेन सुनील ने डिस्प्यूट किए एलिगेशन एंड दैट्स इंपॉर्टेंट। ये जो लीगल डिस्प्यूट्स थे इसमें ये प्रूव नहीं हुआ कि सुनील वॉज गिल्टी ऑफ दिस एक्यूजेशन। एंड देन देयर वॉज मोतीचूर चकनाचूर controversy where Sunil was accused of interfering with his daughter's Athiya's film. उस पर भी उन्होंने डिनाई किया। सो एट दिस पॉइंट द परफेक्ट फैमिली मैन इमेज चेंज हो रही थी, कॉम्प्लिकेट हो रही थी। पर 2025 में उनके कमेंट्स अबाउट चाइल्ड बर्थ की कौन सी डिलीवरी सही है उस पर भी उनका ओपिनियन इंटरनेट को इतना पसंद नहीं आया एंड ही वॉज क्रिटिसाइज्ड एंड ट्रोल्ड अ लॉट। तो इवेंचुअली ही हैड टू से सॉरी और अपोलोजाइज। फिर अगेन comments over marriage about parenting and suggesting that wife should primarily handle child care while husband focus on their career. इस पे तो backlash बनता है क्योंकि older generation are a little too much on such topics. Like I hate why giving the baggage of your own trauma to our generation. Nobody is setting these gender roles. ऐसा होता होगा पर अब नहीं होता ना. Our generation will change everything. But here's where things get more iconic. Because Sunil had faced controversies over things he has said or he has been accused of, he has also had to fight people who were using his identity without permission. उनकी photographs, likeness, AI generated content, fake advertisement, ये सब चीज़ों में involved था. He took legal action to protect his personality rights, so yes. Even Anna had apparently been fighting his own AI clones. But there's another side of Sunil Shetty that shouldn't get lost in all the controversy. Controversy हुए हैं तो obviously सिर्फ वही थोड़ी ही किए. A coin has two sides, good and bad. He's a human after all. Let's talk about the good stuff now. In 2008, he was involved in rescue of 128 Nepalese women from sex trafficking in Mumbai and credited the Mumbai police for helping make the operation possible. He has also been involved in charitable initiatives through his family and various organizations. So after everything, who is Sunil Shetty, the action hero, the Hera Fairy legend, the businessman, the husband, who's been married for over 30 years, the father of two Bollywood actors, the grandfather, the philanthropist, or the celebrity who occasionally says something that makes the entire internet collectively go, Anna, mat baat karo, please stop talking. Maybe he's all of them. Because that's the thing about celebrities. We want them to be one thing, good guy, bad guy, hero, villain. But real people don't work like that. Sunil Shetty has a very incredible career. He also had controversies, fake allegation, defended himself, made mistakes, changed. But somehow, after more than 3 decades, Anna is still there. And maybe that's the most interesting thing about Sunil Shetty. Now that he's perfect, but he managed to become one much more than action hero what originally thought he was. From Balwan to Shyam to businessman to father to grandfather. तो ये अन्ना की story थी. I guess I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching the video till now. Please suggest me some topics I should make video on जो आपको देखना पसंद हो. ठीक है. Till then, new video will drop soon. Please do like, share, subscribe to Doom Scroll Diaries. And I am working on a video जो जल्दी आने वाली है. So thank you so much for watching.